Now, when I say Bubba, hey, you say Bob, Bubba, Bob, Bubba, Bob. When I say Bubba, hey, you say Bob, Bubba, 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 Bob. I'm the redneck rapper spitting a rhyme, so sit back and listen. Hey, it's Miller time. I'm the original hillbilly Hasselhoff, eating a burger on my truck with my t-shirt off. Check out my gut. Hey, they say it's a keg, a shed for my tool hanging out my pants leg. You think you're big, hey, you think you're bad, but I stole your truck nuts and I think I'm your dad. Mama? Check out my truck if you can get inside. It's 8 feet tall and I call her Sky Ride. A Board 350 gives me the power I need, but I don't do drugs. But damn, I love speed. When I'm in the mud pit, getting down in the dirt, I shout hell yeah and sport a flannel shirt. My dog and my wallet, they both have a chain. I drank some good shine and it's eating my brain. Now you might say redneck rap, I think I'll pass, but sit down and listen or I'll get a whoop ass. I heard about a grill and I thought it was cool, but I couldn't afford gold, so I got copper fool. The chain around my neck, hey, it comes from Lowe's, but I'm the king buck and it impresses the does.